Welcome to our channel. If you're starting a business, follow these step-by-step instructions to open a business checking account and prepare for SBA financing. Step 1. Register your business with your state and obtain an employer identification number from the IRS. Banks require these legal documents to open business accounts. Step 2. Choose the right business structure for your needs. Sole proprietorships have simpler requirements, while LLCs and corporations require additional formation documents. Step 3. Gather required documents including your EIN letter, business formation documents, business license, and personal identification for all owners. Step 4. Research business checking accounts at multiple banks. Compare monthly fees, transaction limits, cash deposit fees, and services offered to find the best fit. Step 5. Prepare your initial deposit, which varies by bank and account type. Business accounts typically require higher opening deposits than personal accounts. Step 6. Understand SBA loan requirements before applying. The Small Business Administration has specific criteria for lending programs, including business plans and financial documentation. Step 7. Maintain separate personal and business finances from day one. Mixing personal and business money complicates taxes, accounting, and disqualifies you from some legal protections. Step 8. Build business credit by using your business account responsibly. Establish relationships with vendors, pay bills in time, and consider business credit cards to build credit history. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.